It can be quite frustrating when you put in so much time and effort into creating content and you keep getting low views. Well, most times it's not just about what you want to create. It should be about creating content around topics that people want to watch. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. So if you create content around topics that people are interested in watching, chances are that your video will go viral. Follow me in this video. Let me show you how to use the YouTube Studio app to know what your viewers are interested in watching so that you can create content around them and make your videos have lots of views. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Imo Mondays TV. Now let's head straight into the main tutorial. Open up your YouTube Studio app. You can download it on Google Play Store. Now this is your dashboard. This is where you will find all the data about your channel's performance. You can actually use this app for a lot of things, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we will focus on topics our viewers are interested in watching. Now click on Analytics and click on Inspiration. In the search box here, if you have any particular topic you want to create content on, you can simply type it here to see how much interest your viewers have on that particular topic. Now let's say the topic I want to make a video on is how to get more views. How to get more views. Can you see? This topic has very high interest from my viewers. It says here, your viewers' interest is very high. This is what viewers are searching for. How to get more views on YouTube. How to get more views on long video. How to pay to get more views on YouTube. You can click on this arrow here to see more topics. Any one you click on will show you the interest rate your viewers have on the topic. Now let's say I also want to make a video on how to create and sell ebook. How to create and sell ebook. You see, it's showing me low interest. That means my viewers are not interested in this particular topic. And if I should make a video on this, my videos might not get views. When you scroll up, you'll see that YouTube Studio have suggested a number of videos that are doing so well based on your topic. You can watch it if you want and pick one or two from their video to create yours. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified when next I drop a new video. And please don't forget to like and share this video.